Oh, no. Okay.
This must be the difficult one.
Yes.
That's what I like to see.
3:20. Estamos todos, 13:20, ¿eh? 13:30.
Into the jungle.
Be careful. You fall down.
It's okay. Oh god. Ew. Oh god. Oh man. Who's that? We were gonna bring Grandpa, right?
Yeah. We're gonna carry him.
Do the easy one. Okay, sorry.
Holy shit.
Look down, Joe.
Look down, Joe.
Oh, I did.
You're taking pictures.
Yep.
You're just gonna wash all away all that,
For my shower.
and all them off bug sprays gonna go off.
Yeah, más alto. O achun. Cara, chupa, ¿no? No estoy bien de acá, estoy ciego. ¿Dónde está?
Knobs.
Watch out with the snake.
That's what I want to see. Can I hold it?
No, yeah, yes, we have Cecilia with us.
I like snakes.
Do you think we'll see one? Do you, like, are they easy to see?
I don't know. Sure they are. Just gotta look hard enough.
As you are passing by the left side, you will see this is the dining room of the armadillo. Yes,
Eating it up.
yes, exactly. Looking for worms at night. Yes, armadillos.
Oh yeah, let's do that.
Sorry.
Cool trees and stuff.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I wish I had one of them, like strap it to my head.
Strap,
Yeah. Next time. I have like all the other
Is there
accessories.
any like?
Thing I can make.
Is there any like clip on it?
Yeah, I had that stuff too, but I left it at home.
Yeah.
Because I was like, I didn't have the strap, so I didn't think I needed all other stuff.
Okay, I think that looks like it's probably easy to stack on, but I'm not sure how to do it.
Maybe we can try to figure it out. We get creative with it. Oh god.
Ecuador. In the highlands, people speak Quechua, but down here in the Amazon was Quechua. Quechua was a kind of Quechua, but
Put it
was
in a
coming
backpack?
from
Okay.
the part to Ecuador. So
Hold
that
this
name
film.
Saramanga
You can put it in
is
my
because
Can't
it had
remember.
before a big production of corn.
Sure.
All right. So in the
that's what
Quechua
I'm putting
means Sara.
Oh, we put it in there.
All
I
right?
don't carry my phone down here.
Are you okay, my friends?
Yep.
Rain is coming. Oh, it's fine, my friends. Oh, watch out with the most important thing.
Yeah, right.
Protect.
The most important thing, the cigarette. Okay, vamos. Are you okay, Cecilia?
You want to keep doing it?
I'll do it. All right. That's kind of fun. Oh, that's that thing's sharp.
I'm checking
Oh yeah, I'm
the
dying.
Papa. Floyd is why checking out.
Yeah, no, of course.
He would have done this in his own years.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I mean, he probably already did.
It's probably already done, yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm struggling with this one. No, I need to hold it for another minute.
These like one of the diffuser waters.
No, it's just like a water filter thing.
Oh, okay.
Is this it's popping off when you fix it?
Huh?
Is this pops off when you fix it?
Yeah. It's not all the way on there right now. There you go. Oh my god!
Oh, I can do it then. Oh, yeah, this is good.
That's why I won't
This
do
is
it.
dangerous.
Yeah, I'm not doing it all alone.
Yeah. You GoPro? Oh. Did you put it away then?
If it's like really bad, I'll put it in.
I'm covering it.
Is it waterproof or water resistant?
Oh no, there's a
It's,
case. There's a case that's
Not
water.
water resistant until you put the case on.
Oh, it's nothing. It's not like water.
It's like a camera. If it gets wet, it's fucked.
Thank you very much.
Is it you?
Yeah, it's my GoPro. Oh, here? Yeah.
You will get such a great video.
Yeah, I can't wait to see it all when I'm done. I have to add my YouTube channel.
Yeah, you have to.
A ver, mi compadre, Joe. Oh, Joe. You're like survival program, Joe.
Yes, I am.
Like Bear Grylls. Bear
What's
Grylls
there?
makes survival program. Last year was with the President Obama. This is one of the little frog is able to kill like 10 people, my friend.
How many
imagine
varieties are here? That'll be fun.
We're gonna show to the rest. Don't worry. There are some paparazzis here.
I'm studying newts next year though as my project, so I like it.
Very nice.
Karen, atrás está la Karen. Acá. Karen, picture. Oh! Okay.
Is it the frog?
Diría, papá, las vas a dejar en su... Ay, muéstrale a Miquín, cuida, él es el fotógrafo. Okay, Marty?
Careful, it's slippery.
Whoa! Joe, watch out!
I'm good.
Oh!
That is where I fell on my ass. Right there. Now y'all get the.
Yeah, with me.
Do you see the skid marks on my butt?
That's good marks or shit?
Yeah, I think I almost shit myself.
We're gonna take bets on if the next one falls.
Yep, I'm gonna get it on camera.
Okay, not this one, but the next one.
Yeah, the next one.
You'll be the next YouTube sensation.
I can envision it.
I don't want to fall over.
Yeah.
No, no, no.
We're
We are
waiting
ready
for
for the
it.
cameras. Don't worry.
That's not very bad.
Cameras ready.
Yep.
Hey
Guys
guys,
coming.
having fun?
Marty is coming.
Good.
I'm here.
Good time.
Damn, she's got one hell of a skid mark.
Don't worry.
I'm going as
I don't want to go.
Just the way he said it. I know.
Lie down, both of them. That's why I'm sitting here waiting for
Oh, it's so sweet.
Yeah, jump. 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 I didn't jump. I didn't fall. I didn't jump or fall.
Oh, don't worry, guys. I'll show you how these things work.
My shoes suck. Like they're supposed to be hiking shoes. Obviously, they're not.
Are they
It's
still
like
going?
no, I'm sliding around everywhere I go.
What's the mud?
Yeah, y'all ain't sliding
No
around.
one can grip on that. Like.
Man down?
So like spikes. Yeah. Yeah.
Even these.
It's so cool.
Snake is probably like 2.5 meters maximum.
So is that nearly full of rain then? Is that nearly full of rain?
Yeah.
Cute.
2.5 meters, you know. Try to imitate the movement of the anaconda, which is the X shape. Right, so there it goes like that. Performing the anaconda
Yeah,
steps.
like how cool do you feel?
Country music from
No,
the
I
Amazon.
just a little better. I don't know.
Yeah, like if you didn't come to the Amazon and have a snake around your neck. Like,
Megan?
Do you like me?
Wow. The anaconda is trying to eat you.
What we've been through.
The adventurer. Yes, the expedition.
Why is them still warm?
Yeah, you look close. I get details.